This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. In this first episode, I'm going to see if we can hit at least $1,000 right away. But to calculate profits, we first need to calculate expenses. So this is the setup that I'm going to be going with and how much it's going to cost. And the most important one on this list is Polar Chefs, because they are going to be providing the flips I should go for, the loops we can perform to get free money, and I will be outsourcing my entire Nike botting setup to their free ACO. I will not be botting Nike myself because with their free auto checkouts, I don't have to buy any extra accounts. I don't have to buy any extra proxies. They will be handling it all for me. I didn't go for too many items this month, but I definitely will now that the series is ongoing. But here's a brief recap of what's happened throughout the month.
Get the f out of here! No way! Dude, what the f? Oh my god, I just woke up all my neighbors. I hit on my phone. I'm in disbelief. Wait! Yo! Wait. Guys. I hit 2. Now I'm hype.
And last night, Hibbett Shock restocked a bunch of sneakers, a lot of which were under retail price. So I was able to snag a few pairs here. However, Hibbett is notorious for banning people who buy too much too quickly, so I decided not to go too crazy with it. I'm not actually sure if these are gonna ship out, but we'll see. From all of those, we have about $1,500 in unrealized profit. Unrealized profits are the profits that I have not yet made from inventory. Once I start selling items, then this unrealized profit will turn into realized profit. Speaking of realized profit, one thing I started doing recently is credit card rewards farming. The way this works is you sell a bunch of miscellaneous items, typically electronics, to cash out groups at cost. So let's say you buy something for $100 and then you sell it for $100, but you get to keep the reward points. So if you get 5% cash back from your rewards, then you get $5 from this sale. Do this with thousands of dollars and the earnings really add up. Furthermore, these items are drop shipped, so you don't have to handle any of the logistics and any of the complexities of selling. So this is a super low effort activity. I've been doing this for a few weeks here and there, but so far I've earned $439. Just from this alone, I've already paid off my operating expenses for the month. I'm gonna continue to do this throughout the series, but I feel like this is gonna be one of those slow and steady income streams. However, one thing that's going to give us a quick boost in cash are sign-up bonuses from banks. There's a really good one going on so far, which will grant you $350 per account.
I won't get into any specifics, but basically you just move some money around between 2 different bank accounts to be able to trigger the $350 bonus.
I then repeat this process under Joy's name and boom, easy $700 earned. Here's another sign-up bonus that anyone can take advantage of. This one, I'll give it to you guys for free. Fidelity currently has a $100 sign-up bonus. If you visit the following link, Fidelity has these sign-up bonuses for a lot of their services, many of which are free to use, by the way. The one that I personally use is their brokerage account, because even if you just have money sitting in your brokerage account and you decide not to make any investments, you will earn interest paid out on a monthly basis. I believe the current rate is slightly under 5% a year. My understanding, however, although that $100 is yours, you cannot withdraw it from your account until 90 days. But if you decide to actually use this for investment purposes, then 90 days is a very short time horizon.
As you can tell, I'm already an existing customer. However, as long as you haven't redeemed this offer in the past, you're still eligible for it. So I've got that sorted for both my account and Joy's account, and therefore adding another $200 in our pockets.
Okay, looks like one of my Barbie figures sold. Time to ship it out.
So I did some credit card rewards farming, should get $99 from that, and the package has arrived in the mail. Amazing, oh my god, this box
box is in mint condition. Oh, tore the paper a bit. Nothing I could have done to prevent that. And these are way too clean. Comes with 3 sets of extra shoelaces. However, I think the white one on it looks the best. Gonna go ahead and list these on eBay right away. Hopefully I can get them off my hands quickly. So a few days ago, I was browsing Reddit and I came across this thread. I love it when I'm the last second and I think I figured out how to get dubs. I'm not saying that it works, but for me it does, since the military blacks. Anyway, I'm so happy to get this shoe. How many of y'all hit? So the secret to being able to cop from the Nike sneakers app consistently is just understanding how their anti-bot works. So I went through this thread wondering if he knew how it worked. But his method of copying consistently, this I did not expect. Somebody asked how he does it, and this is his reply. I'ma keep it 100. Every time it throws you in a line and says removing bots, I legit just talk to the phone. I'm like, take out those bots. And I always say, I hope I hit. I need that. Got him, and boom. I've been hitting everything since the Travis Scott olives, every pair, even the ones that I don't want. So basically, while he's in the line, he's talking to his phone. Honestly, I found this really silly, but it kind of makes sense if you think about it. Our phones are always listening to us, so today there is a Nike sneakers drop. I'm gonna be going for a few pairs. There's gonna be 3 that I'm going for, and we're gonna give it a try. Imagine if this actually worked. Yeah, remove those bots. Go ahead, yeah, verify those submissions. No way, bro. No way. This shit actually worked? What the? No shot. Whoa, wait, what? Holy. Dude, I got these too. Dude, that really is a secret. What the? So I got 2 out of the 3 sneakers that I went for. Dude, I cast a spell on my phone. That's crazy. Today we have another drop on the Nike sneakers app. You know what that means? It's time to feel stupid again, talking into my phone.